guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a super easy and delicious fried calamari or fried squid. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have some squid rings, and I did went ahead and washed it in some lemon juice. And here I have some all-purpose flour. I have cornstarch, breadcrumbs, I have some milk, I have 1 egg, some of my fresh homemade green seasoning. I have garlic powder, paprika. I'll be using some Old Bay seasoning, onion powder, and some of my very own homemade all-purpose seasoning. Let's get started. So first things first, we'll start by seasoning our squid. We will add the seasonings and then we'll add the egg and the milk. We'll mix it all well and we'll let it marinate for about 30 minutes. All of the correct measurements and the ingredients that I'm using will be listed down in my description box. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, this is your chance to go right ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'd be notified every time I upload these yummy videos. Next, we'll go ahead and season our flour, and we will combine our cornstarch, breadcrumbs, and all of the seasonings that we use to season the squid except the green seasoning. We will mix this all well and set aside. Next, we will generously coat our squid in the flour. We'll make sure that they are well coated, and then we will repeat the same process until there's no more left. Once they're all coated, we will now head over to the stove and start frying them. So here on medium heat, I will now place my squid in the oil and allow them to fry until they are golden brown. Remember, you don't want to put your heat up high because, they fry pretty fast and you don't want them to cook too quickly and burn. You want a nice golden brown color. And squid is something that you don't want to cook too long either because they will become very rubbery and you don't want that. So once your squid becomes golden brown, you just remove them and continue with the same process until you're all done. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super delicious and crispy fried calamari. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget guys, hit that subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Enjoy!